Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will know how make a mind-blown effect. How do you think? Let's check it out. First step, I've already opened the image and I will move this dry soil texture and put it in here. We will use these cracks and move it on the man's head. Control or Command and T. I rotate the image. And then right click, I will warp the image surrounded his head. Next, I select pixels of layer 1 and I go to select, color range. I will select the dark color here, then I click OK. Then I will separate this selection into an individual layer. We will go to Layer, New, Layer via Copy. Or we could use shortkey, Control or Command plus J to separate it. You could see that our man has some cracks on his head. Now I will create a mask in Layer 2 and I remove unused cracks. OK. Next, I will move the explosion image to our picture. Press Ctrl or Command and T. Or we go to Edit, Free Transform. Then we rotate it and scale it a little bit like this. Enter. I create a mask in Layer 3 and erase not used area. OK, now I'm going to remove half part of his head. First I must duplicate layer 0. Then I choose lasso tool and create a selection like this. I will use clone stamp and I remove his half of part of his head. Remember to hold Alternate or Option and click copy the background color. Then fill the color in our selection. I remove the unused cracks by fill black color in mask of layer 2. Now I will remove this part of layer 3 to crop out the man's forehead. I rename layer 3. Right-click in Mask and select Add Mask to Selection. Right-click in Layer Broken and choose Select Pixels. Then I create Solid Color Adjustment layer. I select the color of the man's skin. And I choose Hard Light Blend mode. Next, I turn off all this layer. I will make a selection on the man's forehead by lasso tool. And I go to Layer, New, Layer via Copy. I move this layer on top of layer boards. And turn on Layer Explosion. Hold Alternate or Option and drag the man's skin to copy it. I create a mask in this layer, then I will erase the intersection edge. OK, we copy more and more layers. And also erase the intersection edge of these skins. We could select all these layers and merge all layers. OK, you could see that all the skins have covered the explosion layer. Right-click in Layer Explosion and choose Select Pixels. And I go to Select, Color Range and choose the light part of the stone. Then I separate the man's skin by clicking Ctrl or Command and J. Or we could go to Layer, New, Layer via Copy. You could see the skin texture has been applied on the broken stones. I'll turn off 2 layers here. And create a selection around the man's forehead with Lasso tool. Press Ctrl or Command and J to divide this selection to a new separated layer. Move our layer on top board. And reselect pixels of layer 3. Now I will subtract some unused selections. Choose Lasso tool. Then I hold Alternate or Option button to draw the unused selections. Turn on and select layer 4. I go to Layer, New, Layer via Copy. I create a mask in layer 5 and erase this edge. Finally, I duplicate layer 2 and move it on top layer board. You could see these cracks connect with the broken stone. Thank you for watching my video. Let's subscribe my channel and follow more videos. See you next time.